This project has gone about as smoothly as a construction project can go. Still got, the electricians, the framers still framing up a few of the walls in our main building, our classroom admin building. We still have a lot of HVAC mechanical work, electrical work in the other two buildings, the auditorium and the gymnasium building and cafeteria. This is the second iteration of the new prototype high school for the Lee County School District. Bonita Springs was a little bit smaller with only 2 floors on the main building. This one's got 3 stories on the main building.